Today, I'll show you how to quickly check your Twilio phone number. This is super helpful if you're managing multiple lines or setting up new communication services. First, log into your Twilio console. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and select Phone Numbers. Then choose Manage and continue to Active Numbers. This page displays every phone number currently active in your account. At this point, take a moment to scroll through the list and find the number you want to review. When you click on it, you'll open the full details page for that number. Here you can immediately see its capabilities, whether the number supports voice, SMS, MMS or all of them. This helps you confirm if the number can perform the functions you need. Below that, you'll find information about the voice handler and messaging handler, which shows how incoming calls and messages are being processed. For example, through a webhook or application. You will also notice details like status callbacks, which help track whether messages or calls were successful or if errors occurred. This is important for monitoring performance and troubleshooting issues. And that's all you need. Now you know exactly where to check your Twilio phone numbers and confirm their configurations anytime. If this guide helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Twilio and tech tutorials.